Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Capital One MasterCard's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Capital One MasterCard's account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in capitalone.ca and make a search. The official page of Capital One MasterCard's account will appear on the screen. Tap on Sign In option at the top right side of the page. You will end up on the login page of Capital One MasterCard's account. Enter your username and password associated with your Capital One MasterCard's account and tap on Sign In. Tick mark on the box that says Remember Me in case if you want your ID to be remembered next time you log in. In case if you don't remember your username or password, click on Forgot Username or Password option. This is how you can log into your Capital One MasterCard's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.